Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to expand binomial question. So I have this question here, which is asking us to expand this expression. Okay, and so with this, I am going to apply two methods of solving this. I'm going to use combination method, and in that I'm going to use two different approaches to solve this question. There are other methods that could also be applied in solving this particular problem. An example is the Pascal triangle. Using that, you can be also to apply that method to solve this problem. And so using the combination method, so I have here a solution. So I will name this method as method 1. Okay, so with the method 1, I'm going to go by, if you have n combination 0, that will be written as n combination 0, okay, which can also be expanded as n factorial over 0 factorial in parentheses n minus 0 factorial. Okay, so this is the first method I'm going to use to solve this question. So here, let me rewrite the question. Okay, we have 1 minus 2x exponent 3. So applying the combination method, that is going to be the exponent, which is n here. This is the exponent. Okay, so the exponent, now 3 combination 0 will be multiplied by these terms here. Okay, so the first term here, which is 1, will be exponent 3. And then the second term here, minus 2x exponent 0. And so once this first term here is decreasing, the second term will be increasing. So our next term will be 3 combination 0 multiplying with 1 exponent 2, then negative 2x exponent 1. The next term will be 3 combination, this should be 1. Okay, then the next term should be 2. So 3 combination 2 multiplying with 1 exponent 1. Then negative 2x exponent 2. Okay, and so you should always bear in mind that the exponent here, okay, when you add them, it shouldn't be greater than 3 or less than 3. It should be exactly equal to this exponent here. So bear it in mind. Always, whenever you are doing it, these exponents here, when you add them together, it should be exactly the exponents here. It shouldn't be greater than that or less than that. It should be exactly what is given to you. So here, I think the last term here will be 3 combination 3 multiplying with 1 exponent 0, then negative 2x exponent 3. So this is the last term. Please follow this carefully. Okay, and so we have, okay, like I said, earlier, this can be written as this. And so I'm going to retransform this component here in the form of this. And so that will be 3 combination 0, okay, multiplying with 1 exponent 3 times negative 2x exponent 0. Okay, I think let me use the close bracket. That will be fantastic. Then I have here 2, 3 combination 1 multiplying with 1 exponent 2 minus 2x exponent 1. Okay, plus the next term, that will be 3 combination 2 multiplying with 1 exponent 1 minus 2x exponent 2. Then the last term, that will be 3 combination 3 multiplying with 1 exponent 0 negative 2x exponent 3. So having done this, okay, 3 combination 0 is always 1. And then that will be multiplying by everything here. 1 exponent 3 is still 1. Negative 2x exponent 0. You know, any number exponent 0 is 1. And that's the entire expression here will give us 1. So the next term here, 3 combination 1 will give us 3. Okay. So you can verify that on your calculator. So if you have a calculator with you, just press shift and then the division sign. You see an output there as, or a display over there in the form of C, and that is not C, okay, it's in the form of C. So you just type what I wrote here, okay, what I wrote here, you type the same thing on the calculator and you get the answer as 3. So here 3 combination 1 is simply 3 multiplying with what is inside the brackets, and that will be minus 6x. Okay, that will be minus 6x. The next term here, if you have 3 combination 2, that will also give you 3. Okay, so we have 3 times this term here will give you 4. And so that will be plus 12x exponent 2. Then the last term will be minus this guy here. 3 combination 3 is 1. And then multiplying with the entire expression here, that will be negative 8 exponent 3. Okay, and so here we have the final answer to this question, okay, as 1 minus 6x plus 12x squared minus 8x cubed.